Hello friends, I have come up with my notes on short tricks on limits. So there are 4 tricks here today and you will find them, they are very simple, very simple. Let us start with the trick number 1. It says limit n goes to infinity, 1 raised to power p, 2 raised to power p, plus 3 raised to power p, so on up to n raised to power p over n raised to power q. The answer comes 1 over q. But the only condition is that the difference between q and p, that is q minus p, is 1. So let us go to the examples. Example number 1. Look here, the question is limit n goes to infinity, 1 over 1 minus n square plus 2 over 1 minus n square plus 3 over 1 minus n square and so on up to n over 1 minus n square. And the options are given to you. Now look here, the difference between the power of n, here it is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, because this is negative. So answer is 1 over q, it will be minus 1 over q in this case. Now look here, this q minus 1 is, q minus p is 1, this is q is 2, p is 1, so q minus p is 1. But here the terms are negative, so denominator being negative, it will be minus. Answer will be in minus. So instead of 1 over q, it will be minus 1 over q. So what is q here? It is 2. Answer is minus 1 over 2. Question is done. Now let us go to example number 2. The value of the limit n goes to infinity. Same type of question is there. It is 1 over 1 minus n square plus 2 over 1 minus n square and so on. N square over, here it is 1 over 1 minus n4, 2 over 1 minus n, 8 over 1 minus n4 plus so on n cube over 1 minus n4. So in this case, p is your 3, q is your 4, but the denominator being negative, it will be minus q minus p. So it will be q is 4, p is 3, q minus p is 1. So it will be minus 1 over q, q is 4. Question is done. It will be minus 1 over 4. Option C is there. Now let us go to next. Example number 3. Limit n goes to 0, 1 over n square, 2 over n square, 3 over n square, n over n square. Now here n raised to power 1 is there. Here n raised to power 2 is there. P is 1, q is 2. P is 1, q is 2. So q minus p will be 1. So answer will be 1 over q. That is 1 over 2. Question is done. Very simple. देखिए आंसर क्या आ जाता है, 1 over q आ जाता है. 1 over q is there. So you have to only compare the powers. So the powers difference has to be taken into account. So it is always 1 over, answer is always 1 over q, the highest power. Highest power here is q is 2, p is 1. So similarly here also q is 2, p is 1. So 1 over q is the answer. Now let us go to next. Trick number 2. Look here, trick number 2 is this. Sum of the series is of this type. Limit n goes to infinity, 1 over a1 b1 plus 1 over a2 b2 plus 1 over a3 b3 and so on. a1, a2, a3, they are in AP. Similarly, b1, b2, b3, they are in AP. And their difference between b1 and a1, b2 and a2, b3 and c, they are equal. So in this case, the answer comes 1 over a1 into b1 minus a1. Okay, so we'll go according to the trick. Example number 1 is there. This is the formula. So question is, limit n goes to infinity 1 over 2 into 3 plus 1 over 3 into 4 plus 1 over n into n minus 1. So this n plus 1, and this is the question. Now look here, 2, 3 and so on up to n. They are AP. 2, 3, 4 and so on, they are in AP. B1 terms are 3, 4, look here, this is 3, 4, 5 and so on. They are also in AP. And the difference between A1 and B1 is 1. Look here. A1 is your 2, put the value here. This is 2. And difference between 3 and 2. That is, difference between A1 and B1 is 1. So 1 over 2 into 1, 1 over 2. Question is done. चुटकियों में. Now look here, same way here. देखिए यहाँ पे सीरीज जो है 3, 7, 11 so on. They are in AP. Here also 7, 11, 15. They are in AP. Now the answer will be 1 over A1 into B1 minus B1 minus A1. Answer यहाँ छुपा हुआ है. Answer यहाँ छुपा हुआ है. This is A1. This is A1. इन दोनों का difference is 4. So answer is 3 into 4. Question is done. चुटकियों में. Now let us go to trick number 3. Trick number 3 is limit x goes to 0, a1 raised to x plus a2 raised to x plus a3 raised to x and so on, an raised to x. Whole power divided by n, whole power is 1 over x. The answer is a1, a2, a3, so on, an raised to power 1 over n. So n देखो डिनोमिनेटर में आई यहाँ पे एंड पावर सारी x में. Now the answer is a1, a2, a3, an, so on, 1 over n. Now look here. Comparison करो. 1 raised to x, a1 raised to x. 2 raised to x, a2 raised. 3 raised to x, a3 raised to x. आंसर क्या आएगा? a1, a2, a3. That is 1 into 2 into 3. Comparison करने से 1 into 2 into 3 so on up to n. Raised to power 1 over n. Raised to power 1 over n. Raised to power 1 over n. This is n factorial. Raised to power 1 over n. The answer is this one, B. Now let's go to example number 2. It is a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x over 3. Here n is 3. n is 3. a1 की जगह पे a लिखा हुआ है, a2 की जगह पे b लिखा हुआ है, a3 की जगह पे c लिखा हुआ है. So answer will be as per that. Answer is a1, a2, a3 and so on raised to power 1 over n. Here instead of a1 it is a, instead of a2 it is b, instead of a2, a3 it is c. So it is a, b, c raised to power 1 over 3. Question is done. Now let us go to next. Next trick is sandwich theorem. If fx is less than equal to gx is less than equal to hx, then their limits are follow the same inequalities. Limit x goes to a, fx, limit x goes to a, gx is less than limit x goes to hx. देखिए जो inequality के साइन इसमें हैं वो यही रहते हैं. Now these questions are, there are two examples here. This is greater integer function. So this is x, this is 2x, this is 3x, this is nx over n square is equal to, we have to choose one of the options. अब देखिए आप बिल्कुल आपको इसको सिंपल x मान लो, इसको 2x मान लो, इसको 3x मान लो, राइट. सो सिंपल आपने फंक्शंस मान लेने हैं. तो यहाँ पे देखते हैं क्या बन जाता है. x प्लस 2x प्लस 3x एन एक्स ओवर एन स्क्वायर। एक्स कॉमन ले लो, ये बन गया सिग्मा एन ओवर एन स्क्वायर। सिग्मा एन यू नो एन बाई टू इंटू एन प्लस वन बाई टू। नीचे एन स्क्वायर है, ये एन स्क्वायर इससे कट जाएगा एंड दी आंसर विल कम एक्स बाई टू। क्वेश्चन इज डन। सिमिलर क्वेश्चन इज देयर। इसमें भी ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन है, इसमें भी ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर, हम इसको सिंपल फंक्शन मान लेंगे। तो इट विल बी 1 स्क्वायर एक्स 2 स्क्वायर एक्स सोन। कितने से डिवाइड करना है आपको? इसको डिवाइड करना है आपको यहाँ से, कितना दिया हुआ है आपको? एन क्यूब। अब देख लीजिए, दिस इज सिग्मा एन स्क्वायर। सिग्मा एन स्क्वायर का फार्मूला होता है एन इंटू एन प्लस वन इंटू 2n+1 ओवर 6। नीचे एन क्यूब है, ये नीचे एन क्यूब है। ये x कॉमन आ गया, यहाँ पे हर एक में x है, वो हमने कॉमन ले लिया है एंड दिस बिकम्स x लिमिट n गोज टू इन्फिनिटी। दिस इज 1 ओवर 6 एंड दिस इज 2। 2/6 इज द आंसर इनटू x, सो दैट इज x/3। क्वेश्चन इज डन। सिंपली आपने ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन को सिंपल फंक्शन मान लेना है, दैट्स ऑल। दिस इज द ट्रिक एंड आई होप दैट you might have understood these 4 tricks. These are very, very simple, and I hope that you will be coming out with flying colors in case these types of questions appear in your exam, and tricks are applied properly, and in very short time you will be able to attempt the questions, and it will help you to manage your time. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. God bless you. I'll request you to please keep on watching my videos so that you are benefited with new tricks. Thank you very much. Bye.